Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer money using TymeBank. To get started, open TymeBank on your device. You can access it either through their app or by visiting their website in your browser. Once you're signed into your account, navigate to the Send Money option under the Transact section on the right side of your screen. Click on that button, which is located just above the Pay Someone button. Scroll through this section and you will find the required fields to complete the transfer. In this section, you'll need to enter the recipient's cell phone number, the amount of money you wish to send, the recipient's name, and optionally, a reference number for this transaction if you'd like to include one. After filling in these details, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Here, you should carefully review all the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. Once you are satisfied that everything is accurate, click on the Confirm and Pay button to finalize the transaction. The process may vary slightly depending on the type of account you are sending money to, but this is the general way to transfer money using TymeBank. Thank you very for watching.